a player is one of the worst kinds of people you can date. But then we've all fallen for a player at least once in our lives. These guys are so good at playing their game. They consider anyone around them to be an object they need to use in order to win whatever their end game is. All players have this stereotype that the only way to win over a woman is by playing a woman, because all gentlemen are simps. Now you see why these players enjoy the thrill of the game more than anything else. Playing a player means you have to hit at the very heart of their heartlessness. So find the things that make them tick and then you take it out. Listen, y'all, players have one objective, and that is to tour with people like a game. So if you want to stop being taken advantage of, then it is time to learn how to play a player at its own game and return the favor like a boss. Hey beautiful people, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be talking about the sneaky ways to play a player and beat him at his own game. Before I start, please hit the subscribe button if you are yet to, and do not forget to turn on post notification. The first way is that you should always answer their question with a question. For instance, when you get upset with them and suspect that you're being messed with, try to talk about it with them. But the moment they ask you a question, do not answer in your usual sweet and loving way. Instead, answer each of their questions with a question and see how they like it. After all, that's normally how it goes when you ask them, right? So it's only right they experience the receiving end of this feeling. Number 2 way is that you should know how to get them excited to see you by telling them you're on your way and then never showing up. I mean, if you want to let them know how it feels, then tell them that you can't wait to see them and that you're on your way over. You could even send a picture of yourself all dressed up in a flattering dress, only to have them wait for hours with you never showing up. Number 3 way is you should never answer them when they text you. Listen, this is a very important one. If there's one thing players are known for, then it is their inconsistency to communicate unless it benefits them. Players have a list of people they text and keep in contact with. The way they gauge your playing ability is with the ease by which they can manipulate you. It takes a lot of strength and willpower to avoid texting them back. So find the willpower to avoid doing so, because if you want to play a player, then don't text back at all costs. Number 4 way is to go for their best friend. Tell me, what are players best at? We all know they are masters at destroying everything and everyone in their way. So nothing will hit them harder than to go after their best friend, and doing this will hurt his ego and he will never see it coming. Number 5 way is to find out who they're currently dating and then become besties with them. I mean, if you have been a victim of a player, then the best way to shut them down, and to do this easily, is by being besties with his new girl. There is no better revenge than for him to see you being close with his new date. Number 6 way is to draw them close, then shut them out. We all know a player is best at toying with your emotions. If you want to give them a taste of their own medicine, then you have to pretend to be their everything. Give them all your affection and love, only to keep them at a distance the next minute. This is what players are good at. So you learning how to play a player is to beat them at their own game. Not in the "I think we should be friends" way. Nope. Sis, shut them down completely. Number 7 way is to be elusive. You see, players can put you off and make you think you are being obsessive and crazy and that it's all your fault even when you haven't done anything. So being elusive means you can't be labeled, pinned down, or even held accountable for anything you do. Even when he gaslights you, the best thing to do is to remain unaffected by this and then act like your most indifferent and unbothered self. Number 8 way is to blow them off. Listen, a player never usually gets blown off, no, or wait for someone. So you need to make them realize how crappy it is to get blown off for your other plans. I mean, make them feel like they don't matter. See, if you want to let a player knows how it feels to be played, then make plans with them and then suddenly just disappear without a trace. Number 9 way is to send them a message. And when they reply, your next message should be, oops, that was for someone else. You need to let them know how it feels to be cheated on and disregarded. So send them a message out of the blue. Make them completely doubt your intentions and their trust for you, the exact same way they have done with you all this time. Make it seem like you sent the wrong text message that was meant for someone else. Listen here, a player might seem invisible and all-powerful until you actually manage to beat them at their own game. You see, they are full of insecurities and more self-doubt than you think. So it's actually better to just stay away from them. You see, when you make them feel everything they have done to you, they will likely have a taste of their medicine, but they may still never change their ways. And that's because being a player, it's in their nature. Thanks for watching to the end. Please subscribe to my channel if you're here to, and do not forget to turn on post notification.